Ayun na, tingnan mo dun. Dito tayo, mas mababa. Hindi pa pala sintas. Kasi kaya sa akin yan.
This one 29 and this is a new one 38 and a half. Yeah.
39. Ah, 39?
7.
So yeah, so basically this is 7 and a half, this is 8. Because 8 it says 39.
This is 7 and a half. Parang ang laki ata sa akin nito. Ha? Ang kasya nga sa akin to. Maliit yung kasya sa akin to. Kasi hindi pa na-itali eh. Ikaw? Kasya din? Ito na lang. Kasi nga, nga siya. Pero ito daw yung 8 and a half. Yan daw yung 8 and a half. Yung size lang niya. Anong to? Indonesian, same. Ito 37 din. Oo. Ito na. 37 and a half to. This one 37 and a half, right?
Yeah.
This one the 38 and a half?
39.
39?
Yeah, and this 38.
Oh.
38 papa.
Kasi yung size niya maliit.
It is the same with this kaya.
Oh. Maliit lang yung size niya, no? Ano, kasya na yan? Okay na, sure ka?
Thank you, Apa.
Ito, Alipay. Ibayad mo. Oh. Yun na.
Okay.
Oh, ito yun na mo. Need mo daw ng bag?
Maybe $1. So this will be both of
Hindi na.
20% off. Both of them.
Okay.
This price. Okay. No bag? One bag?
One box.
Okay.
Yes, one box.
Yep.
No need box.
One more box. Which one don't need a box?
No need the box. No need the box?
No. One bag only.
One bag
I
only.
have one bag for 2 boxes.
Yeah.
You can put it in, okay?
Yeah.
So the total will be $1,583.40. So will be this price.
Okay.
Which payment?
Alipay.
Alipay, okay. Yeah, thank you. Let me sit up for the
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Ano na yung bit-bit mo? Uy. Late ka na.
Late na.
Halika na.
30 minutes wait.
Diyan na sa baba. Okay na, patayin ko na. Patayin ko na. Patayin ko na?